For $289,000, this is what we can get you about 30 minutes from Frisco, Texas. We're gonna be located in Princeton, which is on the south side of Princeton, pretty close to Allen, about 15 minutes or so. This is gonna be a 4-bed, 2-bath, about 1,800 square feet. I wanna talk to you guys about the numbers because the monthly payment for something like this comes out to be really, really low. So I wanna show you what the exterior looks like and then show you the interior and talk to you about the numbers. So as always, we're gonna be in this new construction neighborhood. It's a really nice neighborhood, new construction, fully brick homes, and this is what the exterior is gonna look like. Let's take a look inside and see what the floor plan looks like now. This one's gonna be 4-bed, 2 baths. Immediately, you're gonna have a hallway. You're gonna have 3 hallways. One that leads you to the living space, the other one that leads you to the laundry, garage, and the 4th bedroom. Here we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. So let's start from this side. This is gonna be bedroom 1. These bedrooms are gonna be about 12 by 10, so pretty good size for a queen size bedroom. All right, take a look at here. We're gonna have the full bath. And when I tell you about the down payment and numbers for this home, really blow my client's mind off whenever she walked these and we were telling her about the numbers. So something like this is $289,000 using all the first time buyer programs. If you're a first time buyer, of course, down payment could be close to around $10,000. And the monthly payment could be close to $2,000 as well every month. So for a 4-bed, 2-bath, doesn't sound like a bad deal to me. Usually as well, builders, depending on which promotion they're running, they're usually offering the washer, dryer, fridge. So here this buyer that's getting this home, they're getting the washer, dryer as part of the promotional package. This is gonna be bedroom number 3. All of these bedrooms up front, they're gonna be the smaller bedrooms, and then the primary bedroom is gonna be at the back of the house. But this is gonna be the 2-car garage, pretty spacious. For $2,000 a month for all my first time buyers, what do y'all think about this one? This is still 30 minutes from Frisco, right? So from everything like shopping, dining, a lot of headquarters are out there in Frisco. So this is just 30 minutes from there. Huge living room, good size dining area. And then the kitchen is also pretty nice, pretty spacious. Let's see what the pantry looks like. Good walk-in pantry as well. It's another point of view. I like now that these builders are giving us bigger windows, brings in more natural light. A lot of my clients always tell me that that's important for them. So this is one. All right, let's see. Let's go out to the backyard. This is a nice cover patio. Fully fenced backyard. Take a look at how big this backyard is. Really, really nice. Today, the weather's actually really good. We're about like 75 degrees out. So this is Princeton. So we're gonna be pretty close to the lake. And as you guys know, the lake always keeps the surroundings really fresh. So it feels really good out there. This is gonna be the primary bedroom. Bigger, right? This is the biggest bedroom. Really good size. I want to show y'all the primary bathroom. White on white countertops. Full shower, some more space here. It's the toilet area. And then the closet. Closet's not gonna be the biggest, but it's still really, really good space considering this price point. Now, keep in mind, this is $289,000. A lot of homes are now priced over $300,000. So the fact that we can find a new construction under that amount, 4 bedrooms that could keep your payment close to $2,000 a month, that's mind blowing right there. So if you guys are wanting to come take a look at these homes, feel free to send me a text message first. Tell me, Rico, I watched your full YouTube video. I want you to represent me for my next home. This is my name. This is my email. You guys could text me at 214-713-4398. If you guys want to come out and walk these homes with me, we'll love to help you guys out, and we'll love to show you what else we have available. Thank you guys, and see you guys on the next video.